Hello little friends! Today we'll learn the ABCs with fun words and pictures. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start learning.
This is the letter A. E for apple. E for aeroplane. E for ant. And what's this? Avocado. This is B. B for ball. B for balloon. B for bear. And this is bat. This is the letter C. C for cat. C for cake. C for car. And what's this? Yes, cow. This is letter D. D for dog. D for duck. D for doll. And this is drum. And this is E. E for egg. E for elephant. E for eagle. And what's this? Earth. Next is F. F for fish. F for frog. F for fan. And what's this? Yes, flower. This is the letter G. G for grapes. G for goat. G for gift. And next is grass. This is the letter H. H for hat. H for horse. H for house. And what's this? Yes, hand. Here is I. I for ice cream. I for igloo. I for insect. Can you guess the next? Ink. This is the letter J. J for juice. J for jelly. J for jug. And this is jump. This is the letter K. K for kite. K for key. K for kangaroo. K for king. This is the letter L. L for lion. L for lamb. L for leaf. And what's this? Yes, ladybug. This is the letter M. M for mango. M for monkey. M for mouse. And M for milk. This is N. N for nest. N for noodles. N for numbers. Can you guess this? Yes, nut. This is the letter O. O for orange. O for owl. O for octopus. And what's this? Onion. This is the letter P. P for parrot. P for paint. P for pig. And what's this? Plant. This is Q. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Q for quail. And what's this? Question. This is the letter R. R for rabbit. R for rose. R for rain. Can you guess next? Ring. This is the letter S. S for sun. S for star. S for ship. Now what's this? Socks. This is the letter T. T for tiger. T for train. T for table. And what's this? Tree. Next is U. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. U for utensil. And what's this? U for uniform. This is the letter V. V for van. V for vest. V for vase. Can you guess this? This is vegetable. Next is the letter W. W for water. W for watch. W for whale. Now what's this? This is window. This is the letter X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. X for Xmas tree. X for fox. This is the letter Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yellow. Y for yak. And what's this? This is yarn. This is Z. Z for zebra. Z for zipper. Z for zoo. Now we all know this. This is zero.
That's all for today's video. Do like this video and share it with others. And for more such videos, do subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.